Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today is the 5th drawing for Spooky Season Drawing Tutorials. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are as well. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a Scarecrow. I think this is going to come out absolutely fantastic. But one more thing, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Awesome. Let's go get down to the drawing. Let's go see what we can
Okay,
do.
so for the first step making our Scarecrow, we're going to begin by making the hat up top. Now, if you're kind of feeling like, hey, I don't really want to give my Scarecrow a hat, hey, that's completely okay as well. So you can just skip ahead a little bit and skip the hat part, or you can follow along and make your hat with us. Awesome. Now, underneath of the hat that we just made, we're going to make a big U-like shape. Now, if you didn't make the hat, you're just going to use a big circle. Now, at the top of the head for our Scarecrow, we're going to give some hay, but it's going to look like hair. So if you want to go crazy with the hay hair for your Scarecrow, that's completely okay as well. Awesome, that looks great. Now for this next step, we're going to give our Scarecrow some eyes. Now the eyes that I made, they're going to look almost like cute puppy dog eyes. But if you want to make your eyes a little bit different, that's cool too. Now, underneath of those eyes that we just made, we're going to make a triangle-like shape for the nose of our Scarecrow. Now to the left and to the right, we're going to make a circle on each side. Now we're going to connect these circles with a dotted line. This will be the smile for our Scarecrow. Fantastic. Now for this next step, we're going to make overalls for our Scarecrow. So we're going to make this directly below the head. Now, our Scarecrow has a little bit of style, so we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of detail to the overalls of our Scarecrow. Awesome. Now a little bit over to the right, let's make the right arm. And then once we make that right arm, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of hay at the end. That looks sweet. Now let's hop sides and do the same thing that we just did on the right. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but we added a little bit of hay at the end of the arm for our Scarecrow on each side. Now we have to go underneath of the overalls and do the same thing. Whoa, our Scarecrow is looking sweet. Now for this next step, we're going to make a stick underneath of our Scarecrow. Now at the bottom end of the stick that we just made, we're going to add a little bit of grass. Now lastly, to conclude this drawing, we're going to add one stripe at the top of the hat for our Scarecrow. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color on our Scarecrow together.
Say